was here, we've worked on this throughout the weekend, and we can't even work on it without crying, and even talking about this without crying. We're gonna go back to the cross. We want you guys to just close your eyes. Don't open it no matter what you hear. Just keep them closed and let the sounds of the crucifixion determine where your mind goes. Just listen. Feel the emotion. Take yourself back to that moment. When it's done, we're going to play a song. And after that song, don't feel like you have to rush or that the silence will be awkward. Just sit. Sit and think, sit and pray. When you're ready, you can head back to your cabins. This will be the last thing we do here tonight. If you just want to sit here for a while, that's perfectly fine. But after this, we won't be playing any more games or anything else. We're just head back to the cabins. Please, please, take this serious. Please, please go ahead and start preparing your minds mentally.
So the bread that you're eating represents my body, which is broken for you. And the cup represents my blood. Do this in remembrance of me. Shall we sing as we head to the Mount of Olives?
Yes, from the Psalms, everyone.
The Lord's my shepherd, I'm not worn.
Not so. For tonight, each of you will reject me. For as the scriptures say, I will strike down the shepherd, the sheep will scatter.
Lord, if everyone else will lose their faith in you, I know my faith will never be shaken.
Peter, tonight, you will deny me 3 times before the rooster crows.
Jesus, how can you say that? I will even die if that's what it requires.
Exactly, we'll all die.
Yes.
I must be with my Father in Gethsemane.
James, John, let's go to the garden with them.
My soul is being crushed with this sorrow. Please stay here. Keep vigil with me.
Yes, we're being here for you.
Father, I ask, please, Father, help me. Comfort me, Father. I know what is at hand here. Father, if there's any other way, please let this cup pass from me. Yet, not my will, but yours be done.
I'm so tired. I can't keep my eyes open.
Father, do not be far from me, please. Father, I need your help. If there's any other way, if there's any other possible way, Father, please. I know the task that is at hand. I know the plan. Father, there is no other way. There's no other way. And I will be done. Asleep, could you not stay awake just a little longer? Please, get up. Come. Tonight my betrayer is at hand.
What? Who?
Is that Judas?
Rabbi, how are you?
Judas, do what you've come here to do. Betray me with a kiss.
There he is.
Be still.
Take the ass.
I can't kill him because he's a liar. I need better charges than that.
We have the man.
Here he is.
Here he comes. It's Jesus. Take him here.
Move!
Man is a liar.
Quiet! Quiet! Quiet, I said! You've woken me so late at night. You better have good reason for bringing these charges. Tell me, are there any more witnesses?
Yes, Caiaphas. We have 2 witnesses whose testimony will stand, and they must be heard.
Well, then let them speak.
Sir, this man blasphemed the temple.
Blasphemed? What do you mean?
His exact words were he could destroy the temple and rebuild it in 3 days.
I said silence! Now these are very serious charges against you, Jesus of Nazareth. Speak your defense. Why won't you answer me? I command you by the living God to tell me whether you are the Christ, to tell me whether you are the Son of God.
It is as you say.
Nevertheless, the time is coming when you will see the Son of Man sitting at the right hand of the throne of God and coming in the clouds of heaven.
This is blasphemy! You all heard the man. We don't need any more witnesses. People, you tell me, what shall be this man's judgment?
Send him to Pilate.
Blasphemer.
If you are the Son of God, tell us who hit you.
Prophesy! Come on, Jew! Your own people hate you.
Your own friends betrayed you.
Try again.
You don't have to friends.
How could this have happened? I gave up everything. I thought he was the King of Kings. And now they're going to kill him. What do I do? I got to fit in. I got to see what happens. Oh, over by the fire.
Sir, aren't you the one that was with Jesus, the Galilean?
I don't know that man.
No, this man was with Jesus of Nazareth.
No, I said I don't know him.
You are one of them. We can tell it by your accent.
I swear I don't know the man. No. No. What have I done?
Here he comes, now.
Pilate, we have this man before you. He's guilty of blaspheming. The people said crucify him.
Absolutely not! You brought this man to me saying that he incited rebellions. But look, I have examined him before all of you, and I don't find him guilty of any of these charges.
What?
Well, neither has Herod found any guilt in him. Therefore, I will punish him and release him.
Away with this man. Give us Barabbas. Yes.
Barabbas? But he is a thief and a murderer. Then what should I do with this man called the King of the Jews?
Crucify!
Why?
Kill him!
Why? What wrong has he done? I said I would punish him. It'll be swift and it will be harsh.
No.
Then I shall release him.
Kill him.
Look, I will not be guilty of this man's blood.
Don't worry about his blood. Let his blood be on ours and our children's.
Enough! Enough! I will not be guilty of this man's blood. I wash my hands of this moment. I'm innocent of his blood. Scourge him. Release Barabbas.
Yeah.
Forgive them. They don't know what they're doing.
What did he say?
Forgive them?
What do we need forgiveness for? He's a criminal.
Just put him hanging there. Do nothing.
He's just a common criminal.
You said you could destroy the temple and rebuild it? You save yourself. You know better than us.
He can't even save himself. He said he could save others.
Oh, friend, do you not fear God? For we are guilty and so full of so many sins, but He is innocent. Jesus, please, remember me when you come into your kingdom.
Today, you will be with me in paradise.
Behold, the King of the Jews, hanging on the tree. It must be lonely up there.
Lord! God! Why haven't you forsaken me?
Listen, he calls for Elijah.
If you're the Son of God, come down from there.
If you're thirsty, here, try this. See what you think about it.
Behold, Mother! My son!
Raised because of him! Jesus, don't let them do this to you. Tell them who you are, sons. Please. Please tell them who you are.
Truly, this man was the Son of God.